Branch 1 here, IFBB professional bodybuilder. I just finished smashing an awesome workout today. After every workout, the first thing I do is take my Micro Pure Whey Protein Isolate. It doesn't upset your stomach. For many years, I drank casein protein after my workout because whey proteins would upset my stomach, bloat me out. When I signed with KAGEDMUSCLE, I was talking to Kris Gethin about it, and he said, "Why do you take casein?" I said, "Well, because whey proteins upset my stomach, bloat me out." And he said, "Man, give this a try. It's got a new technology in it. It's prohydrolase enzyme that's in it. It doesn't upset your stomach, increases absorption. You don't get the bloating. Whey protein is superior to casein protein after your workout. You have a small window after you train that your body will absorb protein faster than any other time of the day. Whey protein is the best way to get that protein into your body, speeds up recovery and growth. Micro Pure Whey Protein from KAGEDMUSCLE.